Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and I've been using the Honor Band 5 for almost 9 months, so I'm the right person to tell you the quirks and features of the Honor Band. I have the new Honor Band 6, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of this particular Honor Band 6 and give you my first impression. So please watch this particular video till the end, because in this particular video I'm going to tell you whether you all should upgrade to the Honor Band 6 or you all should just skip it and buy something else. So without a further ado, let's get started. Let us just go and unbox the Honor Band 6, and this is having the AMOLED display guys, as I said, and have a very good battery life. Also do check out the link in the description, because I'll be sharing the link to buy it. And these are the features guys, and I've been using the Honor Band 5 for a very long time, and as you can see, it comes with the AMOLED display. It comes with this 24 hours tracking and all, heart rate monitoring, fast charging, sleep tracking, etc. And it have a really very good battery life, I would say, way better than any smart band which I have used previously. And let's just go and unbox this. I have already torn on, and I just got the black variant for this because I kind of like black. And as you can see, the price is around 6,000, but I just got this for almost 50% off for the sale. So also do check out the link in the description again. And let us just unbox this and check out what else we get in the box. Also, if you like this kind of videos guys, please hit that like button, help my channel a lot, and do subscribe, because most of y'all who are watching this video are not subscribed. And do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. So let us just remove this Honor Band and check out how it feels. And this is a charger, magnetic charger, which we get. Also some documentations which we are having it. And let me just show it to you. And I don't think so most of y'all must not be even reading this. Again, it is just for regulation purpose, warranty card, and etc. So this is a charger which we get it, and it is kind of nice, just like Apple like feeling guys, because Apple also comes up with this kind of chargers. And do let me know in the comments below whether you are using any fitness band for tracking, etc. And this is the Honor Band 6 which I ordered, because I've been using the Honor Band 5 and I kind of got bored with it. Although the Honor Band 5 is also a great product. Let me just boot the Honor Band 6 and show you the overview of it. And as you can see, comes with this kind of heart, SpO2 and heart rate monitoring system. Even the band looks kind of similar to the previous one. And this is how you charge it. It's magnetic, and it just fits in one particular end guys. So you all have to charge it in this way only. And once you get it, you all should make sure that you all are not connecting on the other side of the button. You all need to connect it on the button side, so the wire would come out from the next to the button. And once you are charged it, you all can just set it up, etc. And I've been using this guys. I'm saying this is a long-term review because I've been using this for a very long time, maybe around 15 days or so. I know most of y'all will be thinking that 15 days is not that particular long time, but then you just want to review the product like this smart band, you really don't need more days. And this is the setup. You all have to install the Huawei Health app. After installing, you all have to select the Honor Band 6, whichever is one which is connected. I'm using this with iPhone. The reason behind using this particular band with the iPhone is that it again tracks, it shows all the progress, etc. in your Apple Health also, just like an Apple Watch. So which is a good thing. So iOS user, if you all are looking for alternative to something like, just for the fitness purpose, if you are looking for an alternative to Apple Watch, then this might be it guys. So presently I'm not using my Apple Watch. I'm just using this because it's very lighter and it is much more better in terms of sleep tracking. So I've been using the previous watch also. So the setup is a breeze, because I've not even installed this particular app. It was already there, and I'd been using this maybe couple of weeks. And I'll be giving you at the end of the video the complete details. So I'm just doing a setup of this, and believe me guys, this is one of the best watches you can find, companion sort of with the iPhone. And these are the watch faces which you get. Let me know in the comments below if you like any of this, or let me just try out this, because it looks very simple and kinds of reminds me of something like the Mi Band. Again, most of y'all must be thinking that is it better than the Mi Band 5. In my case, guys, yes, it is, because it is having a bigger display and an awesome battery life, magnetic charging, and very quick charging. Like for example, if I just charge this for about 10 minutes, I'm getting 10% of charge. So every day, y'all don't have to charge it. Maybe once in a week, if y'all charge it every Sunday, maybe about something like 30 minutes, this will be good to go for another week. So this is how I use it, guys. And again, these are the some of the watch faces which I really like. Again, I'll be showing you my favorite watch face at the end of this particular video, so please watch this video till the end. So let me just show you this particular watch face, and once you're installing it, it takes a bit of a time for downloading and installing, but I don't think so it's a hassle. Again, this is one of the best looking watch faces, I meant to say, and it shows you everything, guys, from step count to something like weather and all. And let me just compare it quickly, the belt with my Honor Band 5, and it is almost identical. And let me just show you other things also. So another query which I had was like, is it better in terms of build quality? Yes, definitely, because the previous watch had a very plasticky kind of rubber watch, the band, but the new band is really great. I would highly recommend get this instead of the Honor Band 5. Although there is a negligible price difference, I got this for about 2900, but y'all can even get it for about 2500, I guess, on Amazon and Flipkart both. So do check out the link in the description. So again, let me just update this watch, because I just got during the setup I just got another update. So I have just pre-recorded this entire video, guys, and I know it is a bit long. Let me know in the comments below if you all have any comments regarding this watch, and I'll try to answer after the video is live. And this is stress monitoring and all, which I've used it, so whether I hardly use it, and this is the activity which I'll be getting back into it at the end of the video. So, and these are the like, this is sort of my quick overview right now but I'm going to give you my complete detail shortly. So as you can see, when I'm setting it up, I don't have anything off for this particular watch, and I'd been using this for about 15 days, and I think more than enough info is there with me to tell you whether it is worth getting this. And this touch interface is awesome, especially useful when you are traveling at night, and especially suppose you are in a train and sometimes you cannot see and all. So yeah, so it is useful. And here, with this help of this particular display, you all can change the watch faces too. You can even set brightness level, etc. So I'm just using the default one, which is coming like around 3, and you all can set this kind of things later on, guys. But one of the key essential feature is that this Honor Band is very light. Especially I'm using this for all my workouts, and definitely it's a companion with especially the app, because the synchronization between the app and the Apple Health is butter smooth. I've also used it on Android, and I had certain difficulty with Android phone syncing up with the app, and then app syncing up with something like the Google Fit, but on iOS this works like a charm. Also, you just have to enable this auto detect, guys. So what this will do is, whenever you are, suppose you are running and you tend to forget to turn on the workout mode, so this is where this particular feature is very useful, and it is automatically going to track all your workouts automatically, like running. And I've not used with something. I've just used it with running and walking, but I've not used it with something like skipping ropes and all. So do keep that in mind. So indoor runs, outdoor runs, I don't know how this is tracking, but I'm just mostly using for outdoor runs, guys, and I'd been using the orange ones mostly. So this particular activity. So, and please note that the heart rate is also very accurate. It is going to monitor your heart rate after every 10 minutes, so so that have to be kept in mind. Also this got GPS. Basically if your phone is connected, then it will just take the GPS, guys, and you all can even change the goal setting, etc., going in this, and then it is going to ask you if the phone is not connected, it is not going to show you in GPS. And this is the interface, guys. I'll just get with this in a while when I'm doing outside run. And as you can see, this is one of the brilliant way of using this particular watch. Also this can have a functionality like always on display, and the build quality of the leather strap is great. So if you are looking for a very comfortable watch strap, or if the comfort is your highest priority, then definitely get this, because it is just 20 millimeter. It is neither too big, neither too small, right for anybody's fit. And this is how you stop the workout. So yeah, the interface is quite good, very buttery smooth. I never had any lag with this. So if you all are watching this, I would suggest you all to go get this. Again, Huawei or Honor is not sponsoring me in this particular video, guys, so do keep in mind, I just got this particular watch or the band with my own money, and basically with this ringer will ring the phone. And I'll be showing you other sample things, guys. So this is the always on kind of thing. It keeps the display on for about 20 minutes. I'll get back to you on this in the further part of the video. And we can have something like quick alarms, etc. So one major thing what I really like about this particular watch is the sleep tracking is way accurate compared to even something like the Apple Watch, I would say. And Apple Watch just shows you the time, guys, but this watch actually shows you how much you slept, what was your heart rate accuracy, and then you have whether it was a deep sleep, light sleep, or REMs, and all those kind of things is there. So yeah, that is a fantastic thing. Do check out the Honor app, because I think that is one of the best app which you can find out. I have also done a dedicated video of the Honor web, this particular app. And even the watch faces are quite good, I would say decent enough. More than 100 watch faces are there, guys. And these are one of the classic things which I'll be using it. Even this activity thing reminds me of my Apple Watch. And let me just show you other things also. So yeah, this is the default, and some of them I have installed it, like this kind of thing. It just gives that nice vibey Nike look. And also, guys, this is one of the best watch faces in my opinion, because it looks good. And considering outside, this is how it looks, guys. And the brightness in outside case scenarios, it is really good. And this is one of my favorite watch faces. I would say this is the best watch face for the Honor Band 6. Y'all can just download it from the app. And I've been using this with my like sleep tracking, etc. And I really like the graph which shows over here with that Honor Band 6. And this is a stress monitor. I don't know how it measures, or what parameters are used for monitoring stress. And this is the activity monitor. You all can see that I've stood up for 11 out of 12, and 28 for workout, and 6,794 steps I've taken for the day. And again, this is awesome watch face which I really like. It reminds me of that Casio watches which I used to like. Again, this is my complete detailed review, guys. So this is the button which going to act like an always on display, and it's going to keep your display on for about 20 minutes. You all can set it for different things. And this is do not disturb mode. It is not going to disturb you or give you notification. Again, this is the ringer, with the help of which you can connect it to your phone, and it will just ring the particular phone. So helpful in certain case when you want to find a phone. So let me just show you other things also, guys. And we have the setting buttons over here, and this is like a shortcut to go to all the settings which you have it. And the interface is quite good, guys, way better than other smart bands which are available in the market. So if your budget is around 3,000, definitely get this. Don't look for any other smart bands, because they are kind of useless. And this is having a very big display, almost twice the size of any band. And it does not look like something like a band. It more look like like a watch, guys. So, and even the SpO2, I surprisingly found it is kind of accurate. And the best way to measure is with your finger and not with your wrist. And let me just show you other things. So breathing exercise will be useful for yoga people, And then we have these watch faces and all. Then timer is going to quickly, you can definitely set some nice timers like this, very easy to use. Again, flashlight, one of the feature which I really use at night, especially to find the keyholes to just put my key. And yeah guys, so this is it, and these are the notification which you get it, and this is the best watch face for this particular watch. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular watch face, and about the Honor Band 6, whether you're thinking of buying it or not. And do subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos which we have, and let me know in the comments below what you think in general about Honor Band 6. Thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.